Maduong' mar UASU Constantine Wasonga bende oriwore kod jowetegi e ng'anyo mochakore kawuono ka gin e mbalariany ma Maseno. Watudre kod jafwambo marwa Millicent Adhiambo ma ochopo kanyo kendo leronwa mathoth.
The moment we are going live on TV, it is already won. To give space to the media. To give space to the media, other people go behind.
Okay. One, two. Ako live.
Wacha tumulete General, the National Secretary General, to officially launch the strike in Maseno. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Solidarity. Solidarity. Today, Dr. Constantine Wasonga Pio, PhD, LLB, LLM, CBA, Return to Work Formula, CPM. I have officially launched the strike. The reason why we have launched this strike is because the government has failed to pay us 2.73 billion. The only thing I got yesterday was a letter. Dons do not eat letters.
Yes.
The next thing why we have launched this strike is that in 2021, 15th January, we won a case. Yes. And the court directed SRC, IPUCCF,